All right, let's go. This is the 4-step system to making money online, even if you're starting from scratch. Are you ready? All right, let's go. Are you tired of spinning your wheels trying to make money online? Whether you're starting from zero or feeling stuck, this 4-step system will show you exactly how to turn your skills and passion into a profitable online business, even if you have no experience. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start making money online today. The 4-step system to making money online, even if you're starting from scratch. Step number 1. What does that mean? This is where you're going to identify what you love, what you're good at, and what people will pay for. Okay? What you're good at, what you love, and what people will pay for. That's going to be step number 1 in making money online. Step number 2. Let's go. Step number 2 is strategize to monetize. Strategize to monetize. All right. This is where you're going to be choosing the right products or programs that help solve a problem for a profit. Okay. That's step number 2. Good. Okay. Step number 3, we're going to socialize to monetize. This is where we're going to be reaching out to the people that has the problems that we can solve, that the profit programs is a solution to their problems. This is where we're going to be choosing the right platforms that engages your audience. All right. The right platforms that engages your audience. And step number 4 is systemize to monetize. Okay. So when you systemize to monetize, you're going to have an understanding of the success systems that you would need to succeed. We get more in depth on this a little bit later, okay, in another video. All right. So basically, guys, this is a quick 4-step system. Step 1, specialize to monetize, right? Step 2 is you're going to strategize to monetize. Step 3, socialize to monetize. And step 4, systemize to monetize. And now that you are aware of, now that you know the 4-step system to make money online, it's time to take action. Okay. So I want you to comment below which step you're working on right now, where you at in this whole 4-step system. And I will personally reply with some tips. Also, if you want a deeper dive, grab my free guide. It's called Monetize Your Passion Framework. That's in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, or hit the notification bell. Beep. All right. So you never miss a new video. Let's turn your passion into profit. Let's go. Oh, by the way, guys, P.S. If you want to check out this next video here, and you want to learn how to earn your first $1,000 online, check out this next video. All right. Talk to you soon. This is Xan, man. Let's go.